Hello everyone, and I'm Ivy again. Yes, today that we are going to learn Chinese again. But before learning and before start today, I'm going to tell you some good news. Boom, boom, boom. What is the good news? That we are having the free live Chinese class right now. So if you like my video and you want to learn more Chinese and have direct interaction with me, so you can hit the subscribe button under and leave the comment under my video, and we will invite you to our live Chinese class. Okay? Thank you. So let me start. Today, what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn color. How to say color in Chinese? Yes? Wow, every day we meet all kinds of colors. So how to say it in Chinese? I'm wondering. Yes, how to say? Yes, it is. How to say color? Color is 颜色. 颜色 is color. Okay, remember 颜色. Perfect. Okay, what is the first color? The first color is, you know it, right? You know it in Chinese? I don't think so. Oh, you know it? No, of course not. 红色. 红色 is this 红色. Yes, 红色. So what is second? The second one is 蓝色. Yes, 蓝色. 灰色. 灰色. Do you see, after we learn three, you find some regular, right? What is regular? Yes, behind, if the behind is 色, right? Yes, if you can find this, you got it, okay? So each of the colors you make and behind the one is a 色. So 红, 蓝, 灰 is the color, okay? It's this color. Oh, 色 is behind. You have to add it, okay? So 红色, 蓝色, 灰色. Yeah. So what is that? Can you make it? 蹦蹦色. Yes, you are right. What is 蹦蹦? Yes, 蹦蹦 is 蹦蹦. 黑色, 黑色. Yes. This one? Yes. 白色. 白色. Yes. This one? 绿色. 绿色. You see, this one is very strange. Yes, it is. This is only the Chinese letters different with the English letters. We have this one, but in English there isn't. And if you tap in your keyboard and there is one letter you can use to be instead of that, you know what that? That is V. If you want to tap green colors in Chinese, how you type it? You can type V. It's so cool. This one is LV. Wow, LV. Are you kidding me? Oh no. This one is 绿色. So you can use V to be instead of these letters. Okay? So 绿色. Okay, very good. What is this? This is purple. Perhaps you say, I don't think this is purple, but it is. From my perspective, I think this is purple. Perhaps you think, purple is another kind of, similar, right? They have many kinds of colors. The colors are similar. So, 紫色, 紫色, okay? 紫色. This one, orange color. 橙色, 橙色. Yes, 橙色. Orange color. That is the same with English. You see, if we say, I like it orange. Orange is a fruit, right? But in the colors, orange is also a color, right? The same as Chinese. 橙 is orange. So in the color, they also use the same name. So it is 橙色. Okay? 橙色. Yes. What is pink? This is a pink. So 粉色, 粉色. Yes. So what is this? Wow, yellow. 黄色. 黄色. Yes. Wow. How many colors we learn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. And then plus multiply 2 will be 10. How to say 10? 10, right? 10种颜色. Yes, 10 colors. So today we learn 10种颜色. Okay? Yes. Let me review one more time. Yes. Perhaps that you can read before me. So, and then I will read it and you will feel the difference. You will feel the difference between your pronunciation and my pronunciation. Is that alright? So I point, okay? And I give you 1 second to react, okay? Okay. 红色 蓝色 灰色 黑色 白色 绿色 紫色 橙色 粉色 黄色 Finish! Are you the same? Are you have the same pronunciation with me? No problem. If you have a little bit difference, it's no problem. If you don't remember, also no problem. Why? Because this is real video. You can review it, or you can come to our free live class, and then I will help you to correct your pronunciation one more time. Okay? Okay. So let's go to the next. What is the next? The next is that perhaps that during we are learning the colors, sometimes that I think that is the green colors, or I think that is purple colors, and you don't think so. You don't think that it is real purple colors. You think perhaps it's darker a little bit, right? Or I say that is the yellow colors. You say no, that is not. Your yellow color is so light. Yes. How to say those? How to say those vocabularies? Let me teach you. Dark. 深 深 Yes, 深 like dark red, dark red 深红色 or dark green 深绿色 Yes, so light 浅 浅 or like light blue 浅蓝色 Yes, 浅蓝色 or light pink or light, but still pink light. Oh yeah. 浅粉色 Okay, so now you remember this one is 2 words, is the opposite. Okay, so 深浅 you can make up your vocabulary. Okay, yes. So how's it colorful? Colorful. Wow, so colorful. How to say in Chinese? 鲜艳 哇，鲜艳 Wow, colorful 鲜艳 But this one is describing the colors only. We use the colorful to describe life, to describe the thinking, or to describe some others. How to say it in Chinese? Wow, so long, forward, so long. Yes, but very easy. Try to remember it, okay? 丰富多彩 多彩 means many colors. 丰富 means a lot, enough, more than. So 丰富多彩 okay? 丰富多彩 is also colorful, okay? But this one they use to describe the life. So I give you 2 sentences and let you to feel it. The clothes is very colorful. So if they say about clothes and colorful, how to translate? Yes, 这件 clothes is 衣服，衣服很 very 鲜艳 right? 这件衣服很鲜艳 yes. If they say your life is very colorful, wow, your life is very colorful. Oh, are you sure? No. 你的生活 life is 生活丰富多彩 This means that wow, you have many activities and your life is how to say it in English, I don't know that much, but it is like you have a lot of activities and you enjoy every day, right? So 你的生活丰富多彩 Okay? Yes, try to use this word and to describe more and to practice by yourself. Okay? Yes. So, what is this? Yes. They will ask you, what's the thing? They will ask you, what is your favorite color? How to say favorite color? Yes, what? 你喜欢 is your 喜欢 is favorite. 你喜欢什么颜色 Yes. 你喜欢什么颜色 Yes, let me speak normal, okay? 你喜欢什么颜色 See the difference? Okay, I do 2 times. One more time. I speak very formal. 你喜欢什么颜色 Second, fluence. 你喜欢什么颜色 See the difference? Yes, yeah, a little bit. Yes. So, if they ask you, 你喜欢什么颜色我喜欢红色 Or if you say, okay, so long, I can't remember, you just say 红色 It's okay, they can understand because they ask you what is your favorite color. So your answer is must be your favorite color, right? Am I? Yes. So 我喜欢红色 Okay? So what color is this? Is that? It is. Is it? What color is it? Yes. 那是什么颜色 What color is it? 那是什么颜色 So, what color is this? 这是什么颜色是 You can answer like it is, or this is, or that is. 就是这是黄色 Or you just simply answer the colors. Okay, like 黄色 Yes. So, 你喜欢什么颜色蓝色 Okay? 这是什么颜色黄色 Yes, no problem. You can answer by this easy, right? So you don't need to think much. You don't need to think, oh, how can I arrange the sentence, which position have to be, and how to say it, I don't know. Yes, you don't need to think much. You just remember the word, the color's name in Chinese, and then you can answer. It's very easy, right? Yes, it is. Learning Chinese is very easy. Not because I'm Chinese. That is really, learn languages is very easy. Why you can't learn it? Just because that you didn't find the correct person, perhaps. Yes, I think that I am the correct person for most of you, right? For most of you. I'm not sure for all of you, but at least for most of you, okay? Okay, class, today the class is finished. And it's easy and you can practice more at home because I trust at home you have many colors. You can practice whenever you see different colors, right? Yes. So how we learn Chinese? We learn Chinese besides to learn with the correct person, also have to practice, right? Practice with your friend, practice with me, or practice at home, right? So thank you for today. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button under, okay? Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye!